Welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to fix access issues with your IberiaBank account quickly and effectively, without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Accessing your IberiaBank account can sometimes be tricky, especially if you forget your password or encounter login issues. But don't worry, I will guide you through the easiest steps to fix your account access, so you can get back to banking seamlessly. Step 1. First, start by visiting the official IberiaBank website or open their mobile app. Ensure you are on the secure login page to protect your information. Step 2. If you cannot log in because of a forgotten password or locked account, click on the Forgot Password or Trouble Logging In link. This will redirect you to a recovery page. Step 3. Enter your registered email address or username associated with your IberiaBank account. Carefully input the details to receive a password reset link or verification code. Step 4. Check your email inbox, including spam or junk folder. Message from IberiaBank. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new strong password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Step 6. Return to the login page and enter your username and the new password you just created. If the login is successful, you have regained access to your account. If not, double-check your details or try clearing your browser cache. Step 7. In case you still face problems or suspect your account might be compromised, contact IberiaBank customer support directly through phone or chat. Explain your situation and follow their guidance for further verification and resolution. Remember to keep your contact information updated with IberiaBank to avoid any future access issues. Also, enable two-factor authentication if available on your account for enhanced security. Following these steps will ensure you can fix your IberiaBank account access quickly and securely without unnecessary frustration. Don't forget to secure your credentials and monitor your account activity regularly for any suspicious actions. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful banking tips.